majority of the models on the Kia lineup, when it comes to the trim levels, they typically go from LX to EX to SX, and then some go to SXL for the higher end trims. For the Soul, while being unique from the rest of the Kia lineup, they also have unique trim levels as well. The base model being the Soul trim, next up is the Soul Plus, and the highest trim is the Soul Exclaim. The base Soul has a 1.6 liter engine, available manual transmission, standard 16-inch tires, plastic bumpers, black cloth seats, driver's one-touch auto down window, and a standard text radio display. The Soul Plus moves up to a 2-liter engine, Sportsmatic transmission, 17-inch tires, cruise control, fog lights, heated outside mirrors, driver and passenger one-touch auto up and down windows, auto on and off headlights, rear center armrest with cup holders, cargo cover, available panoramic sunroof, and a touchscreen display with backup camera. Lastly, we have the highest trim, the Soul Exclaim. Many features are the same as the Plus, but only in the Exclaim will you find features like UVO infotainment system, leather seat trim, leather wrapped steering wheel and gift shear knob, 10-way power adjustable seat, driver's seat lumbar support, remoteless key entry, outside mirror turn signal indicators, auto dimming rear view mirror, high gloss interior trim, satin chrome interior handles, and 8-inch touch display with backup camera. Now, some of the features from the higher trims can be added to the lower trims as an added accessory. So come on down or head to i25kia.com to schedule a free 24-hour home test drive today.